Climate change is causing more frequent and extreme weather events and disasters. In the last 3 years, Fiji has been affected by 6 cyclones, Vanuatu has had 4 cyclones, and Tonga experienced 4 cyclones, with some storms reaching Category 5 levels of wind speeds at 280 kilometers per hour. When this happens, businesses and families are impacted. Every year, these disasters result in huge economic losses for the Pacific. For Pacific small island developing states, tropical cyclones have resulted in an estimated average annual loss of $180 million for the past 50 years. On average, Fiji experiences 152 million Fijian dollars worth of losses annually in assets. The 2016 tropical cyclone in Fiji affected over 900,000 residents and caused more than $1 billion in estimated damage and losses. Tropical cyclone Pam in 2015 in Vanuatu caused damage and loss estimated at $450 million, 64% of GDP. One bad season or disaster can tip businesses and families into poverty. To help you protect your businesses, your farms, and your families, you need to stay ahead of the unexpected. Pacific Insurance and Climate Adaptation Program is jointly administered by UNCDF, UNUEHS, and UNDP, and will work with Pacific insurers, governments, and other key stakeholders to deploy market-based climate risk insurance and other disaster risk financing instruments, such as parametric insurance, targeted at micro to meso levels, including low and middle-income Pacific households and communities, small and medium enterprises and organizations, cooperatives and agri-agencies, associations and unions, with the overall objective of providing immediate liquidity post-disaster to cope with urgent financial needs. To make insurance premiums affordable for the people of different professions, it is run differently to traditional insurance. This means that insured households would only receive payouts if specific weather triggers are met, such as a Category 4 or 5 cyclone, or rainfall of over a certain amount has fallen within a specific area around their home or business. Payments can be received quickly within a few days of a climate-induced disaster and without having to visit an insurance office. Because payouts are based on triggers rather than actual loss and damage, payments can be swiftly made to the policyholder, and this allows households and businesses to quickly recover from the losses. Here's an example of how it works. Mary and Sam are sugarcane farmers and live in a village. They have faced floods, droughts, and cyclones before, but in the last couple of years it has become worse. When the insurers offered them insurance against tropical cyclones and heavy rainfall, they were very happy and decided to sign up and pay their premium and have additional savings for such extreme weather events. They felt it was a small price to pay for peace of mind. Even though they have insurance, every year before the rainy or cyclone season, they make a plan to prepare their property for the coming rains. When a Category 4 cyclone hit their village later that season, their property was damaged and their sugarcane crops were impacted. Because the Category 4 cyclone was an insured risk and their property was within the path of the cyclone, the insurance payout was received very quickly directly to their bank account, without having to visit their insurer, which was a big relief. If, however, their farm was damaged but the cyclone passed more than 100 kilometers away from them, they would not qualify for a payout. This is because payouts are not based on damage, but are based on policy triggers and predetermined payout amounts. Insurance cover is available in units, and depending on your immediate financial needs post-disaster, additional units can be bought while signing the contract. Mary and Sam had prepared well before the cyclone, so now, instead of paying for too many repairs, they used the bulk of their payout for replanting their sugarcane. Because Mary and Sam practiced risk reduction measures and prepared financially for these unexpected disasters using inclusive insurance and savings, they were able to recover faster. It is the decision that you make today that can make all the difference tomorrow. For your peace of mind, insurance offers you and your loved ones a policy that can provide quick financial help during unexpected and extreme weather events. Pacific Insurance and Climate Adaptation Program, leaving no one behind in the digital era.